Yeah.
The last week has been storm. Wanted to put his boozy ass hands on me.
Dirty ass hands.
And guess what? He's not here tonight, though.
You know why? Because he's scared of you.
Yeah, he's scared.
He's scared of you.
He's scared. Because, I talked to a tag team match in the back, and now you're going. But I see Shawn back there. So,
Bring your ass on out.
if you can find a partner, come on out. Because you have to defend your tag team titles. And yeah, come on out. And if you can't find a partner, you can be a little bitch and just go to the back or maybe we'll have a match.
Bet you don't. No one likes him anyway.
Hey, them belts gonna look real nice.
Yeah.
You know
Don't forget, no one likes it.
No fuck, just a man.
No one likes him, Leo.
Unfortunately. Ashley Starr can't be here tonight. Oh.
Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. Y'all must understand where I'm from.
No, we don't.
It's on my heart. I'm from Chicago, Illinois. I don't back down from no challenge. So I'm gonna take on both of y'all by myself.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
It's a wrap.
Well, it looks like we're gonna have a handicap match here, Tom.
Tornado tag handicap, you know what that means.
Tornado tag handicap. Oh my.
Skulk, new tag.
We might as well hop in there, but who's gonna record? Oh
we
man.
gotta record it.
That's all right. I want to get this. I want to make sure the people at home understand this. All right, here we go. Oh my God! Whoa!
Oh my God! And the captain of the 313. He's out the gate. He's coming out hot.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. He's got it. No! No!
That back former NFL Combine athlete, collegiate football.
Oh, here we go. Finally, a taste of his own medicine. No!
Biz Breeze. Hit him with the Biz Breeze.
No, 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 no.
Come on, try to fight now.
No, not Liam.
Shawn D gonna try again.
Yeah, our Fox coming for the save. Oh!
Now they're gonna go for a double
Double
suplex.
suplex, double brain buster. What's going? No!
Shawn D! Not one, but 2/5 of the scope.
That's unbelievable.
Shawn D is on fire, ladies and gentlemen. I already had the record for bench presses.
The Skulk's got a
WWA4.
big weekend coming up at Tampa, Florida for FIP, and he's doing this.
I don't know, Shawn D.
Oh,
Axe kick to the skull, AR Fox. And that flipping neck breaker takes him down. Shawn D.
Oh, here you go, here you go. Oh, Liam, great, back in it. Oh!
Oh my God, he kicked him on both sides of his head.
Indeed. Oh!
Cannonball.
Standing cannonball.
Rolls him through. Super kick.
Oh!
That's up. And now the Skulk is in firm control.
There we go, my
baby.
boys.
That's right. And now this is where the number game is going to really catch up to Shawn Dean, isn't it, ladies and gentlemen?
You see, the Skulks, they specialize in handicap matches.
We do this match. It might be 4-on-2 in a second.
It might be. I mean, we might hop in if we want. This is too good. Yeah. Break him in half.
Liam Gray and Fox taking turns handling business.
Coming home. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I already know.
It's too bad that no one in the locker room likes Shawn Dean.
I mean, I'm trying to figure out why what Shawn Dean's gonna do to come back, I think this match might as well be over.
Well, let's be honest, what kind of tag partner is Ashton Starr leaving his partner hanging here tonight?
I know, right?
See, the Skulk members, we would never do that to our own members. Oh my God. Oh,
And all
wow.
three men.
Oh! What a splash!
With the flying yum yum.
With the flying yum yum!
Got it with the yum yum. The flying saucer.
That's one way to put it, Tom.
Liam and Fox finding themselves almost getting taken down, but now they're back on the same page.
They sure are. And Shawn Dean still, no one likes him. Whoa, referee's got to turn around. Or he doesn't, I don't care. Because the Skulk's in charge here. They're in control. Picking on Shawn Dean. Picking on the crowd.
Liam Gray wasting a little time trash talking the crowd, and that's not something smart.
No.
Look at Shawn Dean. Like he said, he's from Chicago. He'll never back down from a fight. He's from.
Yeah, but I bet he's lost a lot of fights.
He might have lost a lot of fights.
Oh!
Double
Holy
super kick.
cannoli!
I think he might have an underbite now. Oh wait, going for the frog fist. Frog splash.
Oh no! No! Double knees!
Oh, he might be constipated. Oh no!
Oh no, he.
He can't stand up straight. Somebody needs to.
AR Fox may never be able to.
Shawn Dean has no one to tag, no one to go to.
That sucks for him. Trying to keep each other. Oh, he's back!
Straight to the back.
No.
Triple suplex. Shawn Dean, what is he gonna do all by himself?
No, Liam's got to get back in this. Wait.
The weapon of ass destruction. It's the weapon of ass.
Double D Rose.
It's the weapon of ass destruction.
Double D Rose. You can say that again, Tom.
It's the weapon of ass destruction.
Mamma mia!
Atlantis.
What?
It's the weapon of ass destruction.
No way!
AR Fox and Liam Gray.
Crowd getting behind.
Binoculars.
No. 619. She's not going for the 619, is she?
Go for a backslide. Go for.
Oh.
Able to get her with that
A
ass.
double 619.
Oh no. Oh no. Gaining momentum.
Oh, never mind. By God. That.
Liam Gray can't breathe. She gets him up.
Oh.
Oh God, watch out, watch out.
AR Fox over here in the splash zone. Ladies and gentlemen, tornado rules. Oh!
AR Fox, he was thinking with this.
What else would you think with Tom?
I mean, she came out of nowhere. She was on fire. I mean, we gotta look at the strength it took AR Fox to open the ropes that wide.
That
around
man.
that whole weapon of ass destruction.
That man never misses a day in the gym.
Yeah, Liam Gray going to 5.
Oh my God! No! No! What's going on? What is she doing?
Oh no, it's time for Shawn Dean to take flight. We gotta get out of the way here in the splash zone.
Oh! My God. Shawn Dean.
The impromptu tag team. It's gonna be the first time they've even talked all night.
I think so.
Rose coming out to the aid of Shawn Dean
Why is she helping him?
and running wild. I don't know, but the Skulk needs to figure out a way to pull out these tag championships. Things not going as they expected.
God dang it, where's Leon Ruff when you need him? Whoa!
April 619.
Oh!
Blue Thunderbomb onto the apron. Liam Gray dodges.
Oh, banzai! Oh,
He got the rope. He got the rope. Liam Gray.
my man.
Liam Gray with the rope. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a minute to recap what happened. This
Review the replay.
tornado tag team action. 2-on-1. Shawn and Liam were in firm control. Fox and Liam, my bad. Until Dimension DeRose from out of nowhere hits the scene.
That's right.
Bodies start flying. A bonsai drop. Liam barely surviving with his foot on the rope. And here we are now.
Now Air Fox back in it. Oh!
Flying Jet Li, Bruce Lee bicycle kick.
Couldn't have said it better
The height
myself.
of AR Fox. You know, the vertical, people talk about Shawn Dean. People don't forget AR Fox. He could have been an Olympic athlete.
For sure.
In a couple
Oh, for
sports.
sure. Just a couple.
A couple of them. He chose to be a pro wrestler. He's choosing to go for this huge superplex right now.
Superplex, super.
No,
No.
Dean out of nowhere.
The power of Shawn Dean. He can't do it. He can't do it. No way! No, Liam. Crowd going wild.
All I know is Shawn Dean has to find a way to capitalize. He might have took out Liam and Fox, but he also took out his own partner.
And that's why no one likes tagging with Shawn Dean, because he just hurts his own people.
AR Fox trying to wake up. Dimension DeRose might have took the worst of that. Shawn Dean, he should be the freshest. Shawn Dean has to find a way to
Oh my God, the body of Liam Gray just demorphed, deformed.
Liam Gray's half. AR Fox trying to pull him back into the action. AR Fox needs his partner. They find themselves
Shawn Dean back on his
stuck
feet.
between a rock and a hard place.
Oh!
A pair of boots up in the corner. Another pair of boots.
Another pair of boots, you don't think? Another pair of boots!
That's 6 boots in the last 30 seconds.
I can't afford all those boots.
Oh no. Liam Gray finding himself on the apron. AR Fox, where he's
Trying to find himself.
He's made a career on that top rope. Go for the synchronized splashes.
He's going for like what, 450 or we're going. No way!
Nobody home. Absolutely nobody home.
This is unbelievable.
Shawn Dean
Saying that this is it.
Fox to the chiropractor.
No, not the chiropractor. For the love of God, not the chiropractor. Oh!
Oh my God! If you missed it, Dimension DeRose knocks Liam off the apron. AR Fox.
Oh! Don't matter. That's all we needed. That's all we needed. And the winner of this match, oh my God, Dimension DeRose and Shawn Dean. Unbelievable.